Горло перережешь так.
Labdien, mums ir liels prieks jūs redzēt šeit.
Hello, we're really happy to see you all here today.
So we can actually group in this part of the park.
Un, tātad lūdzu sanāciet visi šeit.
She was so weird.
Šīs ir tas brīdis, kad mēs gribētu dot vārdu cilvēkiem, kuri ir ieguldījuši darbu, lai šīs mūsu pasākums varētu notikt.
And this is the moment where we will give the word to people who have made this event possible.
Un pirmais cilvēks, kam mēs gribam dot vārdu, ir no Amnesty International, un viņa vārds ir John Dalhusen.
And the first person I would like to say a few words is representative of Amnesty International, John Dalhusen.
Good afternoon. It's a really very big honor and with huge satisfaction that I stand here today.
Šīs ir ļoti liels gods un ļoti liels prieks stāvēt šeit šodien.
For the more than 70 Amnesty activists from over 20 countries that are here.
Vairāk kā 70 aktivistiem, vairāk nekā no 20 valstīm, kas šodien ir šeit.
But also for the 2 million other Amnesty activists around the world who will have their eyes on this event, and even if they're not here, they will be thinking of you, of all of us, and of the celebration that's taking place.
Un vēl ir ļoti daudzi aktivisti, ļoti daudzās valstīs visā pasaulē, kuri ir palīdzējuši šīm notikumam notikt un kuri ir domājuši par jums.
Above all, it's an honor to be marching together with you, the activists, the gays, lesbians, bisexuals, transgender from all the Baltic countries that are here. And it's because of you that we're here, and that's a great honor for us.
Mēs esam šeit dēļ jums, un mums bija ļoti svarīgi iet gājienā kopā ar jums.
Well, that's probably about right. What is today? It's a march and it's a celebration.
Šodien ir gan gājiens, gan arī
Party,
svinības. Jā,
a party maybe.
es uztraucos.
But it's not a march of one day or a celebration just of one day.
Bet tas nav vienas dienas gājiens, un tas nav arī vienas dienas svinības.
It's not a march of a couple of 100 meters around a square.
Un šīs nav tikai dažu 100 metru gājiens apkārt parkam.
It's a long march. It's a long march to a very clear destination that we're all walking together.
Šīs ir ļoti garš gājiens tajā virzienā, kurā mēs visi ejam kopā.
It's a march where we walk towards our full equality and the full enjoyment of all our rights.
Gājiens līdz tam brīdim, kad mēs visi baudīsim mūsu tiesības.
It's a march where none of us walks alone. A march where no one walks alone. We all walk together.
Jā, un šis ir gājiens, kad mēs visi ejam kopā.
And on that note, I think as we all walk away from here, we'll walk still with our heads held high, knowing we've got a long way to go and that we'll get there in the end.
Un tad, kad mēs arī aiziesim šodien no šejienes, tad mēs zināsim, ka mēs iesim kopā ar paceltām galvām un ka mums ir vēl garš ceļš, kas jāiet.
In the end, we will have fun.
Un galu galā mums būs fans.
So let the celebration begin.
Un mēs sāksim svinēt. Vārds ir Jānim Mārtiņam Skujam no Pilsoniskās savienības.
And the next speaker will be Jānis Mārtiņš Skuja from the Civic Union, which is a political party in Latvia.
Labdien, dārgie draugi!
Hello, dear friends.
Es šodien pārstāvu pats sevi. Man nav tiesības pārstāvēt manu politisko partiju, bet es kā kandidāts uz Rīgas domu šajās vēlēšanās vēlos teikt vienu.
Today I'm representing here more or less myself. I'm not officially representing the party, but I'm running for the City Council of Riga at the forthcoming municipal elections, and I've come here to say the following.
Ir jārod risinājums tam, kas notiek šobrīd, un šis nav risinājums, ka šeit iekšā parkā ir viena sabiedrības daļa, ārpus parka ir otra sabiedrības daļa. Ir jābūt vairāk iecietīgiem vienam pret otru, un es ļoti ceru.
We need to find a solution to all this. We cannot continue to tolerate that we have one part of the society on this side of the fence and another part of the society on the other side of the fence. We need to be able to be tolerant towards each other. We have to find a solution.
Jo, protams, ja šeit viss notiek miermīlīgi, tad tas, kas notiek tajā pusē, ir, manuprāt, 19. 18. gadsimts viduslaiki, kur es nezinu, kas vada šos cilvēkus.